fuck off your phone.
Oh!
What? Who ran the red light? She did.
She ran a red light.
This is the first major accident I've been in since I've started driving about 4.5, 5 years ago. So apparently this kid couldn't have been more than 20-something years old, 25 at the oldest. Must have been out drinking and carrying on, and decided to make a lot of stupid decisions, and wound up at the front of my truck making a very, very bad decision. As you can see, it did not work out for him. So apparently he's going to be okay. At least that's what I heard from the paramedics after they left. But this is the consequence of making bad decisions, and 2 lives could have been lost that night. It was all I could do to keep the truck on the road. After impact, it blew out my passenger side steer tire, causing the tractor to nearly turn sideways for a moment. And the cops said that both I and the driver of that pickup was lucky. Him way more so. It took the jaws to have to get him out. So just remember, actions have consequences. We're not guaranteed another day on this earth, and doing stupid stuff like this to tempt fate is not a good way to live your life. So everyone take care, and I'll update you later on. I'll see you all later on.
Are we?
Yeah.
Okay. Sure. We're here for 31 minutes.
So we'll get towed.
Park here.
Oh, that guy just rear-ended someone. Wait, did he? No. I saw him freak the fuck out. Yeah, he did. He did. Holy shit. Look, they're so fucking mad at each other.
Nick. Sharp on it. Whoa, whoa. Dip.
I know Page probably would have run again if he could have run, but he was term limited, but now he's running again. So it's time to get rid of Over the Hill Mills.
But I just want to make sure that it's not. Okay. There's a setting, but oh, there.
Some other reason too. Tell me what you think of this, since I happen to agree with you now. Now you're opening my eyes.
I know things.
You do know things. He is so eager to get sympathy from the audience that he gave himself that Baron von Munchausen disease.